This might be the hardest message you will hear, but you need it. You tried to leave, didn't you? You said, "This is the last time," but it was not. It feels like love, but it's costing you your peace. You smile with them but feel empty after. Why does something that feels good hurt your soul? Leaving a haram relationship is not easy. If it was, you would have left already. But what if you are stronger than you think? You tried to leave before, but you went back. You missed them. You felt alone, and your heart kept saying, just one more message, just one more call, and slowly you found yourself right where you were started. But let's be honest, if it was truly good for you, you would not feel this constant weight. You would not feel far from Allah. Deep down, you already know this is not where you are meant to stay. Allah says, and whoever leaves something for the sake of Allah, He replaces it with something better. Better, not equal, not similar, better. But the condition, you have to take the first step. Start with small steps. Step 1. Be honest with yourself. Stop calling it love. If it's pulling you away from Allah, it's not love. Step 2. Create distance, not slowly but clearly. Less messages becomes no messages. Step 3. Remove triggers, chats, photos, anything that pulls you back. Step 4. Fill the emptiness, because if you don't, you will go back. Replace it with Quran, Dua, better company. It will hurt, you will miss them, but missing something doesn't mean it was good for you. And every time you choose Allah, you are choosing a better version of yourself. You are not weak, you are just attached. And attachments can be broken, not instantly but sincerely. Take one step, and Allah will help you take the next. Leave it for Him and trust you are not losing, you are being guided.